Good morning, everyone. My name is Ryan Sheffer Wembach from SKSEDC. Today, I'm excited to talk about how science impacts our daily lives. How science impacts our daily lives. Science is all around us, helping us understand the world and making life better. First, let's look at our health. Science teaches us about germs and diseases, which is why we wash our hands and take vaccines. It also gives the medicines we need to we need to feel better when we are sick. Next, consider the food we eat. Science helps farmers grow crops more efficiently and safely. When we cook, we use scientific principles like mixing ingredients and applying heat, making our meals both tasty and safe. Think about the technology we use every day, like smartphones and tablets. These gadgets are the result of science and engineering, allowing us to learn, play, and connect with others. Science also drives our curiosity and exploration. It helps us understand weather, discover new planets, and create clean energy. It pushes us to ask questions and find answers, shaping our future. In conclusion, science is essential in our lives. It keeps us healthy, improves our food, power our technology, and inspire us to explore. Let's appreciate all the ways science helps us every day. Thank you for listening.